Hey, what's up everybody? I'm over at the shop right now and just took delivery of a new vehicle. Not exactly something I ever thought I'd buy, but we have been looking to do some type of rat rod build for a while. And I found this on Marketplace, went and checked it out, and have it delivered here. It's got 4 flat tires, and I'm not exactly ready to pull it into the shop, especially with all the work that I'm doing inside the shop. I'm doing insulation, sheetrocks, trying to make it nice inside, finish it up. But I'm just gonna run through the car real quick. I gotta inflate the tires. Hopefully they hold long enough so I can move it somewhere better than where it is. And here it is. Boom. So it's a 1950 Chrysler Royal. I believe it was the last year of the Royals. And I mean, it looks rough, but it's really just patina. Like, it's not really rusted that bad. The floors, obviously will, when you see it, they, need work done. But if we're doing some type of rat rod, it's gonna, get a lot of new performance parts, motor, trans, suspension, all that jazz. But the body, I really don't want to do much to. It's pretty solid. And I like the patina look. I don't know if I'm gonna do clear over it. It's got all the glass. It still has motor, trans. It's basically a complete car. I have the interior, which I'm not going to use. I'm not going to use the engine and trans. I really just want the body. Definitely can't keep it where it is. It's blocking a right of way that I have with the electrical company, so I got to move it. Let me show you guys what's under the hood. Supposedly it ran when parked. You know how that goes. Got a new battery. I think he tried to start it but couldn't for whatever reason. I don't think I'm really going to waste any time trying to get it started. I'm not going to be using this. I'll show you guys the inside. It's got a pretty cool dash, gauge cluster. I don't think I'm going to really be using it. I don't know yet. Be cool if we could. Definitely don't want to use this gigantic steering wheel. It's like a school bus. You see it's got some rust in the floors, but I don't really care about that. It's got the seats. He threw in some other parts that came with it. Hubcaps. It's really all there. Still has the original headliner, sun visors. It's really not that bad. It looks a lot worse than it is, but it's pretty solid. This is probably the worst area that I found so far. Still has the original VIN. It had an oil change, November 8th, 1950. I don't know what drivetrain we're gonna put in it yet. I have one from a Viper truck, one from an SRT 8300, and another from an SRT4 Neon. So those are kind of the options we have if we decide to do this. But for right now, I just got to put it into a better spot. I feel like these tires aren't going to hold any air at all, but we'll see. All right, so I got the Royal moved. It's in a spot that it's probably going to be for a little bit. I got some work going on in the shop before I bring it in to really check it out. I am going to cover it up, but before I tuck it away, I just want to clean it out, go through all the parts that were included by the seller, see what I have, see what I can just sell, get rid of, see what I don't need. I really just bought it for the body, so I don't really need much. I'm going to clean it out and take a look and see what's included and show you guys up close. So I got this driver's side window to roll up. Unfortunately, there's a crack in the glass. All the other glass seems pretty good except for that. These big old door panels. Pretty basic, not much to it. Roll up windows. My favorite thing so far has been the gauge cluster. I think it's pretty cool, obviously significantly different than the cars of today. Seller included the original seats, not in the greatest condition obviously, but I'm gonna pull them out and clean up in here. Looks like someone was living in here. Clean that out, and we'll just make it nice before we cover it up. Let's see what we got in here. There's not much in here. We got a jack, some more trim. I'm not sure what all these parts are. Some type of oiler. There's parts for joints, spare tire, old belt. This is pretty cool. This might be the old owner's manual. It's pretty poor shape, but I'll see if I could open it up without totally destroying it. That's really it. There's really not much in here. There's some rust in here that goes through. Other than that, it's really not that bad. I'll clean all this out now before I lock it up. All right, so it's gonna be here for a little bit until I can get to it. Let me know what you guys think we should do with this. Should we put the Viper engine in it? Should we do the Hemi SRT4? Should we leave the patina? Should we paint it? Should we junk it? Drop a comment, let me know.